ready to connect via Bluetooth, USB, digital audio in.
Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have something to make your house a home cinema. So let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go, guys. So let's go with the introduction of the product first. We have a Samsung
Sound Bar C400.
It's time to unbox it. It's a big box. I'm trying to bend this right. So we have our, yeah, that's so much better. Thank you, Dee. We've got our user manual, quite thin. I'll go with a little box first. A box in a box.
Some goodies.
Oh, a box in okay. They forgot to put the product in. Now they didn't. So here we have our power supply, our remote control, and batteries included. So power supply, our batteries. Let's see how that. Oops.
This is how you do it.
This is how we do it. Oh, I kind of like, look at this.
Samsung makes them
Nice.
nice.
I was expecting just a like random, like normal
So
controller.
we put
Our
two
batteries in.
You have Bluetooth pair, sound bar mode, tone control, channel level settings.
It's not as big as the box looks. And this is our product.
Yeah, this is it has not haptic touch, it has proper buttons. You just connect it to the wire here. If you can see inside here, you have the power input. You have a USB inside here, and you have the optical in from your device. And as you see, you have the woofer outlet.
That was the first thing I actually saw.
So let's try to put the...
Let's plug. Not the easiest thing with my nails. There it is, it's in. The wire is not as long.
On this device, as you see, you have those holes here. So you can put it to the wall, if you like.
Yeah.
And those holes here down there, it has to be some brackets, specified brackets from Samsung, so you can attach it again to the wall. So we have two options to put it on the wall. And the reason we have the wire like that, it's alright, so we put it like that. But when you put it on the wall, you have the option to turn it around. Let's go to the sound test then.
The sound test. I love that part.
have this feature to lower the volume. You go up and down with the buttons here. You make the subwoofer to go up or down again using your fingers. So we have tested the device for a few days, and I'm happy to say that this Samsung Sound Bar sounds amazing. So if you want to get this device today, click on the link, and this will help the channel to grow and buy all these new unboxing devices for you guys. I really like the sound quality of this device.
I like the bass, to be honest. Nice and clear, but not very
Annoying.
yeah. I don't think the neighbor could actually hear it.
I'm sure he was able to hear it.
Not as loud as you expect. You can hear it, but it's not. Oh my god, how do you explain that? It would not go straight through the walls. It's not that kind of like annoying loud bass you hear in clubs. That's the best.
Obviously, it has the surround sound from Dolby DTS. So if you connect your fiber optic from your TV, you have an addition to your already sound of your TV. Some people, they buy this device because they say that the quality of this makes a huge difference in experience of watching movies. I really liked the quality of it. Obviously, you have all these fancy lights and stuff like that makes it more nice to the eyes. You have the Bluetooth connection. You see the SN on the top. This is for NFC. So if you bring your Android device on top of it, it's gonna pair and it's gonna start playing music from your phone.
Yeah.
So it's a multi-device. I'm very satisfied with the brand. Zoe, when I was going around, she said to me, "Did you find out what you bought? Did you realize what you bought?" And I say, yeah. No, you didn't. It's a Samsung.
It's a Samsung
C400. I'm very satisfied with the size of it, first of all, because I was worried that it's bigger because the box is big. I'm very satisfied with the sound, the ability that you can lower the bass. Samsung doesn't supply you with a fiber optic to connect it to your TV because of, obviously, for the European laws that say that you don't get wires that you're gonna throw away. But we managed to connect it.
I like the quality of the sound. It sounds great. It's got the option like nighttime. You can still have it functional, but not like waking everybody up. I think it looks lovely. It's pretty. It's the style of it. I just love it.
I really like that it has a subwoofer inside, because the thing I said was, I was looking at the bigger model, and I said, I don't want to have a subwoofer inside the house. I don't want an external thing that you're gonna put on the side to have more wires, have more annoying stuff. Just one simple thing that you can put on your wall and forget it. And when you want to see a movie,
Yeah.
enjoy your movie. And if you want to make a party,
You can.
if you want to make a party, it's quite loud. For 40 watt RMS that Samsung says it is, it's loud. So, this is our honest review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
This is the ultimate unboxing. And have a great night.
Have a great night, guys. Bye.
Bye.